Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This is a design team project for TsunamiRose and it's using some of her sewing kit journals, and I will link TsunamiRose's sewing kits below in the description box. This will also be for sale in my shop if you're interested. So the journal measures 8 by 5. It has one signature, some stitching on the cover. We've got this, the paper that I've used for the cover is from one of the kits, and we've got this lace here. Then we've got this, I'm not sure if it's a vintage doily, but it kind of looks it and feels it. This was gifted to me from Tina, who is Hummingbird Tales. This is one of the journal cards from the kit. We've got, obviously you can see the stitching, and we've got a button here with some cheesecloth, which I'll pull away at in a little bit. I've just popped that on there with some hot glue. We've got some buttons here dangling. There is eyelets and ribbon as a closure. Just let me make sure that I'm in frame. It looks really dark in here tonight for some reason. So in this envelope, it is full of little bits that I didn't actually use, that I printed off and didn't actually use in the kit, so I've just popped it in the envelope. So these are some little like cut out pieces. I thought you can use that within the journal. Oops, what's that? Little kind of vase there, and some little journal cards. I love the scissors on this, and a little sewing machine, some measuring tape, cotton, some bobbins. You can see, well, you can see, can't you, what they are? Like I said, obviously just didn't get around to using them in the journal, but they're there for you to use within the journal. And we've got some little tickets, little peg, little envelope with a little journal card there. Could make that into a little tiny booklet. So that is all what's inside the little envelope. Really pretty colours in this kit. So I've done some lace pockets, as you can see. This had a little ribbon on it, little bow, and these are all from the kit. Now some of these had like kind of bold like frames around them, like pink and blue. I wasn't overly keen on the colours, no disrespect, and I don't mean that, but it's just you know, I'm kind of used to just having the inky edges, so I trimmed them off. We've got a little library card here, and then we have this like a bowl jar, and then here we've got a side tuck. Made that from one of the pages because I accidentally cut it wrong, and it was kind of off kilter, so I had to print another page out, and I've used that for pockets, tucks. This is from the kit. Everything's from the kit. I don't think I've used anything that's not from the kit. Little journal cards. This is actually from just this paper here. That is from the sewing kit. This is from Charming Fragments, but I just made some little booklets up. There's 2 of them in the journal, and again from the kit. I've got pockets, again all from the kit. Journal card. This is such a large collection of sewing like pages and little envelope there, little journal card. Yeah, it's such a large collection. I didn't actually use everything. There's just so much. You could probably make hundreds out of like one kit. Coffee dyed paper, another page from the kit. Here we've just got a lacy pocket. Inside there we've got a journal card. Looks like she's darning a sock. Who does that? We just buy them now, don't we? If we get a hole in them, they just get lobbed in the bin. And I've got the paper clip on here just to hold that in place. If and when you've taken it off, just lift that up and off it comes, like so. Little note card there, and a bingo card there. Okay, and then the paper clip, like I said, just lift that corner up so that it doesn't rip the lace. To-do list, a corner tuck, and I popped that on there, so we've kind of got two pockets there. You can see the scissors just popping out of there. That goes in there. We've got a bingo card, and then just a large coffee dyed stenciled tag, like so. More writing space, another lacy pocket. That was obviously big, deep, like wide lace. We have got inky fingers, another tag, another journal card, and it's like a bookmark. Another page from one of the kits, little pocket which is from the kit, and a journal card there. This was from Charming Fragments, and I just made that into like a double tag. Library card and a little note card. So I'm going to actually, my next journal, I'm going to use Charming Fragments because I haven't used it in ages. And I'd seen Lisa from Handmade by Lisa, she had done a project the other day using Charming Fragments, and I thought, I haven't used that in ages, so I shall do that. 2 pockets, at the centre of the signature. Got another tag here, and a journal card there. Another library card, and then here, another tag. Another journal card and another library card. Again, some pocket from the kit, journal card, library card. That's from Charming Fragments. And there's 2, there's Charming Fragments and Charming Fragments 2, I believe. Another tag there in the big lacy pocket, and journal card and another journal card there. You can write on all these pages as well. There's some coffee dyed paper, another double pocket or tuck here, library card, little note card, and then another little note card there. And this was one of the little journal cards which I just popped on to make that a double tuck. Then to-do list, and then here again, lace pocket and the paper clip, just holding all that in place, because things do tend to slide out from lacy pockets when they're on that way. Postcard from the kit, and a bingo card, a tag, and then that just holds it all in place. And like the other one, when you're doing it, just hold that up slightly so it doesn't catch on the lace. Oops, there we go. Some more journal space, lace trim, pocket, more journal cards. This was one of the ball jar cards, and I messed it up when I was cutting it, so I just kind of took the middle out of it. Another journal card here, and another little journal card there. I like all the different shapes of the pockets, you know, on these parts. More paper from the kit and more pocket. Excuse me, my voice is all groggy. Postcard, journal card, and then little booklet I made out of some paper from Charming Fragments, and popped on a journal card there. And then here we've got the other side of the lace pocket, journal card, and a ball jar. And that is the journal, and like I said, you get all that with it as well. So I will put the link to the all the sewing kits in Daisy's shop on her Etsy store, and you can find the link to my shop below if you're interested in making a purchase with this. I do have some other journals which I have reduced in price. This will be reduced as well. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.